This is a continuous process of modifying all this thing, and you know very well, even this some parking is yet to come out very soon. And even from the Urban Affairs Department, we have recently passed a parking policy only for urban, which should help immensely, I should say, because parking policy, especially for a strict policy. So this is one of the remedial measure, and the other parking is coming up maybe in very short times. And the other issue, you know very well, police traffic is maintained very well about this issue, traffic issue. And yes, of course, whatever we say, traffic is still there, and that is one of the reasons why we decided to move to the new city, new secretariat. That is one reason. I think maybe after we shift to the new secretariat, maybe in 3-4 years, it will be drastically improved in everything. So for the time being, yes, we have to be a little bit, no way out. And from the government side, we are discussing and we are doing things every now and then, every day. We didn't sit idle, you know very well. Sometimes police keep changing the road, one way, two way, all this because to reduce traffic only. And I have seen at least for the last few weeks, it's a little bit improved, not like before. It's really crowded, and especially when the school start again. Then again it will be, you know very well, it will be traffic again. But we will try to modify so many ways how to reduce traffic.